Forex is a profitable and risky business. Just as there is a possibility of profit here, there is also possibility of loss here. That means you have risk. Surely you understand that your good skill will lead you to success and your negligence will lead you to loss. You all know that business has both advantage and disadvantage, but those who can use their skill, who can work hard, can benefit. There have a lot of things. Many traders join this market with the idea of making a lot of money with very little capital. However, in the beginning, such greediness damages one's career. So a trader has to know and accept all rules to be successful. Those who lost in Forex find out the reason for their loss. It's seen that they may have done real trading without knowing Forex completely, or they have very greediness. Maybe they don't complete their demo trading. So there are many things we need to look at before start real trading in Forex. And with this thing in mind, we can reach our desired goal only if we organize our trading career. That's why we came up with today's video. Here we will discuss some important issue with you. This will definitely come in handy in your Forex career and help you to move forward. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. Before you start Forex trading, we need to know something. Like first of all, Forex is a potential market. The Forex market is a market where nothing can be said with 100% surety. No analysis or no strategy can give 100% guarantee that the market will go to sell or buy, because there are many reasons behind the movement of this market, including economic situation of different countries and fundamental issues. Therefore, a trader should adjust his trading strategy keeping in mind the possibility and have the ability to control himself even if he lost again and again, and have the ability to recover that loss. That's why we always discuss some special aspect like profit ratio. Something good can be expected if you follow a good profit ratio. By this, you can recover your 3 loss by 1 trade if you follow 1:3 profit ratio. This is the biggest thing. If you follow, you can reach your desired goal. Second one is to think unrealistically about Forex. Forex is one of the biggest and largest currency market in the world with over 6 trillion trade daily. However, the idea of earning $1,000 per week with deposit of $100, this is very unrealistic. This is called your greediness. Such an attitude can destroy your trading career. Maybe a couple of weeks will go well, but one time will destroy your account and your career will never be the longest, because Forex is not a gambling site that you come and you do whatever you want. If you want to make profit from Forex, you have to continue according to Forex. You have to look at everything like Forex. You have to work hard and you have to avoid your greediness. If you can maintain this thing, then you can earn from Forex. Then the next one is there is no end to learning in Forex. Forex is a place where you have to deal with something new every day. The market is always changing and you have to adapt to this change. In order to gain in this market, one has to constantly acquire knowledge about the market. Acquiring knowledge does not mean finding a new strategy every day and thinking about how to make profit from Forex. The main purpose of continue to acquire knowledge is to keep a detailed knowledge of the market and try to know about the market's movement. Many Forex brokers offer free seminars, webinars, and various educational programs that play an important role in developing a trader. You just have to the mindset to learn about Forex. All your favorite channel FOREX BD has published numerous videos from which you can get the desired information about Forex. By watching this, you can increase your knowledge, you can learn about Forex, you can learn about Forex strategy and good analysis. So if you want, you can take your career forward by following the various playlists given in the FOREX BD. There is a video for everyone from beginner to expert in the form of a serial. So if you want to go forward, then definitely watch this playlist. The fourth one is we have to pay more attention to survive than earning. Everyone enters Forex with the idea of making a lot of money, and as a result they have to face loss more and more due to various confusion. So a trader needs to think more about how to survive in Forex. This is you have to give the first priority, because survive in Forex is the biggest thing. You have to work with a strategy that is suitable for your mindset. If a trader can't analyze or trade all day, then there is no reason to worry because you don't have to trade every day. Even if you don't get a perfect entry but your mind is forcing to make an entry, then you have to understand that you have a psychological problem, because there is no such thing as a perfect entry every day, and every forex trader should wait until they get the perfect entry. Maybe you don't get an entry today, but it will be seen that tomorrow the market will be so favorable for you that you can make more profit. But for this you have to be patient. There is no need to make double profit the next day if you don't get entry today, because you can't get same profit every day, because this is business. Some days you get a big profit, some days you get little profit, some days there is no loss and no profit, and some days you face some loss. But you have to maintain this. There are some rules in forex. When you get perfect entry, then do trade. Then you will see that your profit is coming automatically. New trader can practice on the broker's demo account to know their strategy or type, so that they are more familiar with the market and more aware of their trading type. First of all, you need to be skillful by demo trading, then come to real trading. Then the last one is choosing a good broker house. New forex trader should trade with a good broker house. A good broker house is necessary to make a good profit, because market maker brokers take a lot of spread and fees as commission. So if you work there, you can't make much profit, and sometimes you will face loss because of market maker broker house. So you always have to choose the best broker house. There you can work without tension, because there will be no fee from you. We always have video with good broker house. FOREX BD have given many videos in the form of reviews. The activities of different broker, their advantage, disadvantage have been discussed. So if you watch this video, you will easily understood which broker is best for you. So watch this video, then decide for yourself. Above all, you should keep this thing in mind when you choosing a broker. And before you start forex trading, keep this thing in mind and then practice. If you can accept this thing, then you can definitely do something good. Even if it takes more time, never be disappointed. If you can make yourself skillful, then you can earn for a lifetime. And last thing I would like to say is that no matter where you have an account, be sure to use the FOREX BD's link when you have an account at any payment gateway or broker house. This will allow you to get quickly verification. Your account will be secure at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get so many benefits, immediately create an account through the link given in the description and get the all benefit. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand, and hopefully you can be beneficial by watching this video. So before finishing the video, a humble request to you: if you like this video, give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. And if you get 1000 likes and comment, definitely we make more interesting video for just you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.